Mastering the Present Perfect Passive, Step-by-Step Guide. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving into an important aspect of intermediate grammar, the present perfect passive. It may sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, step by step. Before we delve into the present perfect passive, let's quickly refresh our knowledge on passive voice. When a sentence is in passive voice, the subject of the sentence is acted upon by some other agent. For example, the sentence, "The ball was kicked by the boy," is in passive voice. Here, the subject, the ball, is receiving the action done by the boy. So, what about present perfect passive? It's simply a tense that describes an action that has been completed at some point in the past, and the focus is more on the action than the doer. To form this tense, we use has, have plus been plus past participle of the verb. For example, the house has been cleaned. In this case, we're emphasizing the action, cleaning the house, not who did it. The present perfect passive is typically used when 1. The doer of the action is unknown, irrelevant, or understood from the context. 2. The focus or interest is on the action itself or the recipient of the action, rather than who performed it. For instance, the documents have been signed. Here, we're not interested in who signed the documents, but rather in the fact that they are signed. When constructing sentences in the present perfect passive, always remember the formula. Subject plus has, have plus been plus past participle. 1. Singular subjects like the letter, use, has, the letter has been sent. 2. Plural subjects like the letters, use, have, the letters have been sent. Remember, the main verb is in the past participle form. In our examples, sent is the past participle of the verb send. And that wraps up our lesson on the present perfect passive. Now, you have a better understanding of what it is, when and why to use it, and how to form sentences with it. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be using the present perfect passive like a pro. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, practice is key when learning English. Keep working on those exercises and make the present perfect passive a part of your English language arsenal. Happy learning!